Rapid growth of gray hair can be caused by aging, stress, heredity, etc. This organic darkening shampoo bar targets and resolves the problem from the root by providing massive keratin to nourish damaged hair follicles, help to get rid of annoying gray hair caused by any reasons. Effectively prevents hair loss by promoting blood circulation of the scalp, stimulating the growth of hair follicles and binding the hair roots onto the scalp. It moisturizes and repairs hair damage. Restore your natural hair color, from the gray hair to a vivid dark color. Regain your confidence back by looking and feeling younger again with the all-new Organic Darkening Shampoo Bar. Gently massage the shampoo bar into scalp with a circular motion. Ingredients: Polygonum multiflorum, Panax ginseng, Glycerinum butyrospermum parkii, Olea europaea, water, sodium palm oil.